Doctors provide yet another reason to never hold in a sneeze. Medical science continues to drive home the risks of holding in an explosive sneeze, this time in a BMJ case reports discussion of spontaneous throat rupture and deep tissue air bubbles. A 34-year-old man entered the emergency room with reports of painful swallowing and curious popping sounds in his neck, all following a suppressed sneeze. Upon closer examination, doctors observed swelling and tenderness in the neck tissue, and the popping sound proved to be crepitus. Crepitus is the medical term for popping and crackling sounds under the skin or joints. This is the creaking and cracking of joints that becomes especially noticeable in older age. Crepitus may be due to several different causes, such as grating bones and snapping tendons, but it's most famously summoned every time you crack your knuckles. This causes gas suspended in the joint synovial fluid to form bubbles and burst. It all seems so ridiculous, doesn't it? A sneeze, after all, is such a natural thing. It's just an expulsion of air and mucus from the nostrils due to irritation. Children, especially, sneeze boldly into their surrounding world, often with little consideration of decorum, superstition, or the fact that grandma's face is right there in front of them. It's only as they become adults that they learn to cover their sneezes and finally, in some cases, attempt to stifle them by blocking both mouth and nostrils. For certainly, no one wants to unleash a full-blown sneeze at the theater or in a crowded train car. It's a high-velocity burst of mucus particles, after all, and exhibits the very lack of control we despise in our bodies. But as the medical science illustrates, such a force is not contained without risk.